In today's video, I will walk you through how to create transparent text effects in Adobe Photoshop. First, drag the image layer down to the new layer icon to create a duplicate of the image. After that, select the Quick Selection tool and click on Select Subject to automatically create a selection around the subject in the photo. Once the subject is selected, click on the Layer Mask icon to apply a mask to the duplicated image layer. Next, select the Type tool and type any text you want to use for the transparent text effect. After typing the text, press Ctrl and T together to activate Free Transform, then resize and position the text over the subject. Now create a duplicate of the text layer. Then left-click on the original text layer and choose Convert to Shape. After converting the text into a shape, select the Rectangle tool. Set the fill color to none, then change the stroke color to yellow. Increase the stroke size until the outline becomes clearly visible. Once that is done, drag the outline text layer below the masked subject layer in the Layers panel. At this point, the transparent text effect should start becoming visible. If the outline still looks thin or hard to see, increase the stroke size a little more until it looks the way you want. And that's it. Your transparent text effect is now complete in Photoshop. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.